So the Hawk Bash was canceled today. So anyway, I'm going to turn it over to Cerby here. And we'll see what she comes back with.
And we're going to vlog. This is Taylor. Our vlog is going to be D1. Y'all already know. So, yep, I'm Kirby. We're going to the gym. This is our last day ever of high school. Yep. So sad.
Except for we both have to be here on Tuesday, but don't tell nobody that.
Because I have a D. But it's going to come up though. But we're going to go to the gym, see what's up in there. Oh, let's go talk to Mr. Haley. He might want to be in our vlog. We're not going to show them playing basketball though, because they don't deserve to be in this vlog. Yeah. Because all of them just some haters. Yeah. But we're just going to vlog. Cause
you want to be in our vlog?
Look, there's my underclassman BFF. Oh yeah, you are D1. So Simi just got 2 offers. No, you can't.
I'm committed to New York. I'm born in New York.
I'm so tatted.
Oh my god.
I'm so tatted.
Let me
Bills
see.
will win here. We want to get in there.
Nah, I don't think I'll face it.
They said they tatted.
All right, put me in there.
All y'all tatted, I guess.
Y'all, this vlog is for the Hawk TV.
Oh. We love you, Hawk TV. Hey, Fox is in here. The Fox
Real Fox, real
Y'all
Fox.
quit talking with them Z's.
What's he doing? Z, stop that. We got Z Kirby, we got Z Tay, we got Z Maury, we got Z Maul. I like when that camera on me.
I'm camera
Anyway.
shy.
I go harder.
I'm camera shy.
We're going back down because apparently the buzz
the buzz. Since they talk with Z's, I guess that's what we just finna do, I guess. But yeah.
You want to be in our vlog? No? Okay.
Okay, you were my favorite teacher, but not no more. Anyway, so
He hated me.
Oh, I don't think you were.
Corey!
I thought you were a boy.
What's up, Chad? What was this for?
Hawk TV, dummy. She's not.
W year.
We need to go find
W. W year. W Hawk Bash. Even though it still rained. W Hawk Bash.
We haven't done nothing today. Oh, look at the little fuzz playing basketball.
Hey y'all. Look at my bum.
Are you
Girl.
off this?
It's senior vlog. Say hey, Brennan.
Last day.
Are you still mad at me?
What?
I'm
You don't
sorry.
ask that for a Hawk TV.
No, I could. Wait.
It's the senior.
You want to call Brennan?
You're still.
Okay. Now let's go to the cafeteria. Hey, Elizabeth.
Hey, Elizabeth.
Look, we could go get Miss Tippler because she gonna want to talk to us. But yeah, it's so super turnt in here, but we're not twerking yet because we can't do that. Look, here's the queen.
I just told her to off.
Corey,
Y'all want in our senior vlog?
it's senior vlog. Hey, no, just say something very inspirational to all the seniors.
Last day.
Make it through high school. It's the toughest part of your life.
Hey, my inspiration in high school. Don't let nobody talk bad about you. Just
If somebody hating on you, just keep it.
kindness. Kill
Okay, first of all, Corey is racist. Okay.
Corey says she white.
Hey,
Okay, Miss
Chat. Just kill the people with kindness. Me, I just show them how I am. The funniest person alive, most class clown, most school spirit.
Okay.
Rita Mae, go.
Miss Rita.
Go.
Please, y'all seniors, go into the world and just be great. Follow your dreams. Graduate college. Just be great. Don't drink and drive.
Hey!
Hey.
Corey, you really want to talk.
Hey.
Hi, baby.
We should have.
Put Miss Peggy in the senior vlog.
call you baby.
Where's Dr. Carter? Dr. Carter!
You want to be in our senior vlog?
Give the seniors an inspirational quote.
Not you.
From the Carter.
An inspirational quote.
Like, give us some words of wisdom.
Words of wisdom.
Don't do it.
Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it. Okay, so if you're going off to a professional schooling TCAT or college, make sure you study.
And she said roll tide.
No,
she
go
didn't.
Vols.
Go Vols! Anyway,
Hey, I got something else to say.
what?
Behave.
Hey, you know us.
You want in our senior vlog?
Yes.
What is going to?
The Hot TV for senior vlog.
Oh, you
Last
can't
day
get
of
caught
school.
up.
We
need to
Why
go
you
to
got
the
an
gym.
orange in your pocket? Look at this.
Last day of school.
Riri, give us a quote from D.
Yep, this is the last day of school. The hallway is pretty empty today.
Wait, we're gonna put it up. Hold up.
I wonder if he'll send us this whole video.
This is so sad. Look at this octopus. I can't say it on here, so I'm gonna have to wait. Well, should we go to the other campuses and vlog?
No, that's a little
Wait.
far.
So yeah, it's our last day of high school. Sad.
It's not really though.
It's not. Okay, so this is vlog part 2. Check out what's going on. This is a very productive room.
Yeah, we've been vlogging.
You want to go back with this and vlog? All the basketball people took it.
Okay guys, we're going to go vlog our last day of high
You want
school.
to be in the senior vlog?
Give us some inspiration, Cadence.
Get money.
Get money.
Get money.
That's all I got for
Get
y'all.
rich. Don't be broke.
We're gonna
Get
go.
money.
We're gonna go vlog the basketball game.
Get money. Do something with yourself in life.
Amen.
Period.
Who'd y'all steal the tripod from?
Mr. Gaskins gave it to us. Yeah, Kinley's all up in our vlog.
I left my phone. They couldn't give us my phone.
Ain't nobody going through her phone.
Let's stop some seniors in the hallway.
Oh, hey guys, say hey to the senior vlog. Or don't. Okay, y'all are lame. You want to give us some words of wisdom? for the
Alabama is
Roll
terrible.
Tide! Go Vols!
Go Vols.
Roll Tide! Y'all just some haters. They hating on me for no reason, but I'm gonna be saying go Vols whenever we play them. Best believe.
We're not going back in there. Y'all want in our senior vlog?
Oh, okay. Just got cussed out for trying to have a little vloggy vlog.
A little fun.
Just a little fun. Coach Ryan, do you want to be in our vlog? It's for Hawk TV. We need some words of wisdom for the seniors going into the real world. Give us some.
Hey, live life, always have fun. Stay on top of your A game and ball out.
And get money.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
These angles are gonna be so bad.
Oh, shout out to our lunch ladies. We love y'all.
Y'all got me through the year, especially the mashed potatoes. 5. Thank you. She wants to come over. Oh.
Oh, you didn't get hers. Oh, no.
Thank you guys for all that y'all do for us. We really appreciate it. I'm gonna miss all of y'all. Yes. Hey! Let's get out of here. Wait, our vlog should be. Hey, yeah, that's me. They saw me on Hawk TV saying something about having baby daddies. We're gonna make a TikTok with you, vlog. Whoa!
What's your name, B.O.B.? Go with me, Bob.
Yeah, y'all can be the Bob. I don't know. Let me put our filter on.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name, B.O.B., so they calling you Bob?
Do we eat, chat?
Stop playing, and you know that I'm known for the Bob.
Let's go say hey to our cheer coach.
So they calling you.
What's she doing?
I don't know.
Where is she? I want to go see her. She needs to give us some words of wisdom.
If they're not busy, I mean, oh, that's on text.
So
It's fine.
I must say what else we got to do. Yeah. It's really not sad because I hated high school. My mom asked me, she was like, are you sad it's your last day? I said no. She said good, because I don't miss high school at all. I said I'm not going to.
Me neither.
There's the king himself. He's so college core. I can't.
Hey, gang.
Yeah. But let me see you work it. Vlog, should we trip out? Hey. We just look like, never mind, I'm not gonna say that. But if this is on Hawk TV, I love you guys. Yeah, they're still in here playing this stupid basketball game.
Oh, we gotta put Gabby in the
Hey, come be in our vlog. Look, here she come running. She running. Oh, calm down. Gabby. Hi guys. It's our last day vlog.
Well, it's not my last day.
We know.
Miss Shadow.
Yeah. Gabby! London, do you want to give us some words of wisdom
For the senior vlog.
for the senior class?
I'm gonna cry.
No, London, it's not that
I already
sad.
cried twice today.
Just give somebody some advice going out into the real world.
Don't let anyone else determine what you really want to do in life. Always keep your mind straight. And
Hey.
I love you all. Bye.
Oh, look, here's more senior class.
Cerby and Taylor signing out.
Say hey to the senior vlog.
Last day vlog. Anyway, Cerby and Taylor signing out.
We're not signing out yet. We're still vlogging.
We're signed out.
Oh, yeah. Peace out. I'm not. Dang. I love you, Southside. Why does he have a bag on his face?
Look, he got a bag. What's with the bag?
You trying not to get their shoes dirty?
Yeah, it's Kelly.
Kelly, you graduating?
Huh?
Are you graduating?
Yes, of course. Are you graduating? Or you
Duh.
still?
No, I'm failing.
Oh, I got a D. You already know me.
It ain't good enough.
I know. We're gonna get it right though.
Try again.
Try again.
You sound.
What's your name, POV? So they calling you Bob? You know, no, with the Bob. Not gonna miss this place. Gra-ta-ta-ta. Look, here comes Dr. Sherrod. I don't know what she does here, but she's important here. This is our senior vlog.
Yeah.
Say hey.
Our last day vlog.
Yeah, it's so sad.
Hey, I want to be in the senior
Say
vlog.
bye to the seniors. Okay, or don't. Thanks, Alexis and Connor. Y'all are the best. Not really, but sorry. They should put this up at graduation. Like
They're
this,
definitely not. They might put it on Hawk TV, possibly.
5 seconds of it. I want it.
I want the whole video.
I want both the videos.
Heck yeah.
You know what? Everybody that left, y'all are lame. Y'all could be in the vlog. Y'all just wanted to leave school. So, can I address people by their first name now? Can I be like Sherry getting our vlog?
Definitely not.
Look, here they go right there.
No, getting off this phone.
Say hey to the vlog, guys. Hey, Kobe.
What's up, gang?
Hi.
Are you busy? We need
wise words of wisdom for the seniors going into the real world.
Wise words of wisdom.
Can you give us some wise words of wisdom for the seniors going into the real world?
Yes. Love well. You'll make mistakes. That's okay. Learn from them and take a deep breath.
Thank you.
That's what she told me this morning.
Yeah.
I tried. I used your advice and it was...
Probably gonna fail a lot. Taylor, are you gonna squish all of them?
Yeah.
Do they squish differently?
Yeah, this one's like more firm than the...
That burger looks like it's
They
good.
are very good. Yeah.
Oh, this one's hard.
Oh, this chicken, I like this chicken. Sorry, okay.
Okay, we'll leave you alone. Hey. Look, there's a senior. Say hey to the vlog. Senior vlog. He's gonna, wait, are you pitching tonight? Oh, well, they're gonna go BTA Hardin County? Hardin County. And they're gonna bring us back a gold trophy since the basketball teams couldn't get that gold ball.
Stop. Hey.
I love them though, they tried.
Thank you, have a great day. He don't grade the test, he just didn't.
Here is our senior pep club person. Thank you for all you do.
This is our senior vlog.
Would you like to give some words of wisdom to the seniors going into the real world?
I would say try your best and don't give up just because things get hard, and know that we're always here for you at Southside if you need anything from us. Hawk Nation for life.
Hey. And she said that $300,000 in debt is just gonna go away.
Oh God. Well, no, not everybody's going to Bama.
Okay, guys, this is the last part of the vlog. Here comes our great English teacher that's gonna give me a hundo on that paper, right?
Heck yeah, I am.
Are you
Yeah! Woo!
for real? I need it. I need it, Mr. Wardlow.
Me too.
I just hope I'm in a good mood when I grade you.
I hope you are too, because I tried really hard.
I'll send you a love letter so it'll make you in a good mood.
I ChatGPT the whole paper. I'm not putting that in the vlog.
Did you record that?
No.
Look, there's my favorite PE t-shirt.
Oh,
She said,
she dipping. Going into the same room we're going in.
Yep. Unfortunately, this is our destination.
I don't know what we're doing, but it got a little crowded in here. It's cold. Why is it so cold?
Oh, wait, I can throw it. No, I can throw it.
They're playing some game. I don't know what they're doing, but we're fixing to hit who? At who? Trent. Oh, let's get this.
You missed.
It was this close, dude. It was this close.
Oh! That just hurt my butt. Anyway.
Last round, quick.
That's our great constable.
Quick. Alright, I'll run now. That's a big target. Here we go.
Oh, let's get this. This will be good.
No.
It's not gonna go on Hawk TV.
Alright, turn around.
Oh, yeah, you can.
We're not gonna record.
Turn around. Now, your mama watch out.
I'm turned for this.
Miss Freeman,
Do you want me to flip the camera around? You sold!
Right by the calf. Sorry.
Sold. Kinley, that's going on Hawk TV.
All right.
No, it's not.
To the gym.
Anyway, so we're going to find G. Askins to give him this GoPro back.
We have to go get that back.
I'm pretty sure he's in here. Anyway, so it's been great.
Not really.
Nobody's in here. So do we know where Gaskins? Hey, do y'all know where Mr. Gaskins is? Anyway, let's do our final sign out.
Oh, we have to wait on the bell to ring.
It's Tay and Kirby.
We're not going yet.
We're signing out as seniors. We're BFFs. We're gonna look back on this and see where we are in 4 years. Cause I'm going to Alabama. She's going. Where are you going?
Baptist.
So we're gonna see.
Hey, twerk.
Hey.
Wait, Kinley Berkeley signing out.
Bye,
Senior year.
guys.